of my alarms. You know, this, the video with my new £4.19 fire alarm cool point. Fire alarm break glass. Let's open up the box. Let's open it up. There's the cool point. Let's unbox it. Here we go. That's the cool point itself. Got back, that's the cool point. It's glass. It's actually glass but it's not resettable. There's the instructions. Back box. That's the cool point itself. It mounts on there. There's another glass in there as well. Glass element. So what's the point? This cool point, this is from Alibaba. This is from China. I have to put the key in from the side. There's the keyhole. Test mode. Yep. But I'm not going to break the glass though, because it's on this one, but I just want to keep it though. This one, it's got, the cool point itself, the screw there. You've got a switch up there, because when you break the glass, it will release that. If I show you on the inside, I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'll show you. Undo the cover. I will undo the cover. I will undo it. Do the cover on this one. This is how it's just a cover, simple cover. Here's the glass. That's just where the test key goes. The glass is keeping the switch. The glass, see when the glass gets broken, it releases that. It releases a switch. That goes on the back plate. How it would go on. That's, you put the wiring. I understand the wiring. I know it's a cheap fire alarm cool point. It's a, but I like fire systems as well. I like fire alarms. What am I going to do? I won't be sending, but this one, it's not going to be, it might be connected to one of my systems, but just my own, but nothing else. Switch is there, into my own. Right, this is where the glass goes. The switch is keeping the glass. The simple cover goes on like that. How. Got slots for the cover. Here's the cool point. It's not similar. It's not an addressable device, but it's conventional. It's actually conventional. It's actually conventional. But the key goes in there. Yep. Key go there. Watch this, watch it. The key go inside. It's your test key. Put this side into it. If you have one of those from Alibaba, they did an original copy of the old style KC cool point. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.